Hi, my name is Jessica Alejandra, is 20 years old, is from Colombia, is studies business administration o compensar, is working company Sigos as, you are 10 friends of 10 planets. Why do you is though? Is application in which information will or you can recycle in on a whole 10 planets. There's application technology audios is a smartphone, tablet, iPad, PC is a housing using that is application of our friends of 10 planets is a login with email and password. Click of enter is on planets complementary levels. Completed levels is a certificate. Is a certificate is a school is a working school. 5 is George Orson is everybody. Is information is we are and better order. Is thank you.